it's the most sad thing in the world. The bagel shop's not open yet.
Don't they know that we need the bagels? We need all of the bagels!
Good morning! Now it's light out finally.
Stupid.
Sarah's mad, I don't know why.
That guy with the high beams.
A guy had his high beams. It's literally
not dark out.
It's light out. We are going to competition in Azusa, and it's a sharp competition. And I don't know how many teams we're against though. Everyone says we're not concerned, clearly. Way too early in the morning. The bagel shop was closed. Literally, these first world problems are like
for the day very well. No bagel.
These first world problems are killing us this morning. I don't know what we're gonna do. The sunrise looks really pretty though. I can be about that. Oh, it smelled like bagels. So I was looking forward to this bagel for like 3 days, and I didn't get it.
4 o'clock and get a bagel this afternoon.
We're having afternoon bagels.
They're gonna be like day-old bagels, but it's not gonna be as good.
I was gonna say sing me good morning somewhere.
Oh no.
Actually, not for the camera.
You know what, we have performances like that, you know, during the season, and would you rather it be here or like in Fresno?
Here.
Right.
This was actually a really good lesson to learn now. It's fine to be frustrated and discouraged, but I mean, like Jesse said, it's just, that was like something you guys have never done before, so we're all just kind of sitting here like, was I even mad? Just like,
I don't even, like, there's literally nowhere in here that's like quiet or private. I don't want to vlog in front of everyone. I have no idea what that was. That's like the worst performance ever. They've never done that. Not even at practice. I don't even know what to say. I don't even have words. We have practice tomorrow, and it's gonna be a very focused practice. We have a lot to do, clearly, because that was not acceptable, and they know that. And it's just, it's one of those things, one of those fluke things that happens to every team. And so I should be glad that I was here and not at a competition where we're trying to get a bid, or any of the competitions we're trying to get bids to. So, yeah. I mean, I'm disappointed, but it happens. And we still have 2 more teams.
hi! Hi!
Yeah. Like at competition, there's like nowhere to, to like hide and vlog. But yeah, that's all. So we still have 2 more teams, and hopefully they do better.
not their best performance.
That's pretty good though. I hear you.